All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're absolutely crushing a classic polynomial puzzle that literally trips up so many students on test day. We're going to conquer this together in under 3 minutes, uncovering a brilliant 60-second math hack along the way. So grab your mental pencils, because we're getting right to it.
Okay, take a really good look at the setup here. I'm deliberately leaving this up for a bit so you can really soak it in. We've got two variables, p equals 3x plus 4 and v equals x plus 5. The question asks, what is equivalent to the expression p times v minus 2p plus v? At first glance, yeah, that looks pretty intimidating. It's practically begging you to start plugging things in immediately. We've got options A through D sitting right down there below it. Really absorb those variables, because this right here is exactly the kind of trap designed to totally drain your precious test time.
So essentially, we've got two paths of attack. Path A is direct substitution. That's your classic brute force method, plugging the expressions in for p and v right from the starting gun. Sure, it works, but man, it creates a massive, messy equation that is super easy to mess up. But wait, there's a much more elegant approach over on path B, partial factoring. Instead of plugging everything in blindly, we pause, we look for a pattern, and we factor out common terms before ever hitting substitute. It's all about working smarter, not harder.
Let's walk through this shortcut together. Step 1, we take that scary expression, pv minus 2p plus v. Notice how those first two terms share a p? Let's pull that right out. We factor out the p to get p times the quantity v minus 2, leaving that extra plus v tacked onto the end. Now, step 2 is where the absolute magic happens. We substitute. But hang on, what exactly is v minus 2? Well, since v is x plus 5, v minus 2 is simply x plus 3. Boom! Our expression beautifully shrinks to 3x plus 4 times x plus 3, plus our original v, which is just x plus 5. Finally, step 3, we just expand. 3x times x is 3x squared, the middle terms give us 13x, and 4 times 3 is 12. Add that trailing x plus 5, smoothly combine your like terms, and we land exactly on 3x squared plus 14x plus 17.
I'm bringing the original image back up here, and I want this to sit on the screen for a second so you can fully lock in what we just achieved. By taking just a few seconds to factor first, we completely bypass the nastiest parts of the algebra, and look at our result, 3x squared plus 14x plus 17. Scanning our multiple choice options, it is a perfect, clean match for option B. No messy foiling of three massive terms, no randomly losing negative signs along the way, just a smooth, highly efficient, straight line right to the correct answer.
So, I want to leave you with this one question to ponder. If you can spot this pattern, what other math shortcuts are just hiding in plain sight on your exams? Honestly, the biggest takeaway from today's explainer is to always take a breath and look for the structural pattern before you blindly execute the math. Train your brain to see the puzzle, not just the raw numbers. I really hope this gives you a massive confidence boost for your next practice test. Keep crushing it, keep looking for those patterns, and I will see you on the next explainer.